Hi again, Joanne Wilson here, and I want to walk you quickly how to manage your menus. To manage menus, you go to Appearance and Menus. Now you can this create new menus. I want to go to my top navigation and select it, or you can edit current menus, which I've just why I've selected that page. To add a page to a menu, you would select a page that you want to add and click on Add to Menu. Once that menu item is in the menu, you can drag it to whatever position you want. Perhaps you want to change the name of that. This happens to be my blog. I'm just going to go ahead and change it to blog. If you want to nest items, as in where these pages are, when you've added a menu, you just click it to where you want it and set it out. If you wanted to move this entire section, those pages would be stuck there, so you can move an entire section. I'm going to move that back down. Or if you want to delete an item, you would open it up and click on Remove. Another feature you can do is up here on the screen's options, select the link target, which is typically not selected, and you can create custom links. Let me find a link to add there. Okay, I'm going to add this link, and we are going to put web design and add to menu. Now, I want this link to open in a new tab if someone clicks on it, so I select that open link in a new tab option. This page happens to go to my business website, so it's relevant. I'm going to click Save Menu. If you can't find a page in the most recent list, you can always click on View All, and every page that's a page will show up in the View All, except for pages that are in draft mode. Right now that I've added that menu, what if I want to create a totally new menu? So I would click this link, Create a New Menu, and I'm just going to put Test Menu on here, Create Menu. This might be a menu I might add to a sidebar with just special links or certain links. So I'm not going to assign any area for it, but I might put my sitemap in there, uh, the contact page. You can also add just a post. I'm going to add this particular post to my menu, or you can add a category. So I'm going to put my personal list there. So from the blog categories, you can select that. You can select a particular post and put in menu, or pages. You would save menu. And now you have a custom menu that you can add somewhere in your website, such as in a sidebar. All right. There's a couple other menus in here. Such as this menu. This is a menu created with a different template that I don't want to use, so I want to get rid of it. So to delete a menu, you just click on it, you select it. Once it pops up, you would click on Delete Menu. A notification comes up seeing if you actually want to delete that menu, and you would just click OK. Now that menu is no longer there. Let's go to my widgets, and I'll show you how to add a custom menu into a widget area. Let's say I'm going to put it into a sidebar. There is a widget that should say a navigation menu. There we go. And let's put that under my contact page there. Um, we're going to call it special and fun pages. You can call it whatever you want. And then you would select which menu you want to use. I'm going to use that test menu I had, and I'm going to select that. All right. Now when I go to one of my pages or post areas where I have that side menu, you will see that menu that I added. And that is how you manage your menus. Thanks, and I'll chat with you during the next video.